And the U.S. Attorney General has announced an investigation into the Minneapolis Police Department. The move comes a day after white former police officer Derek Chauvin was found guilty on all 3 murder and manslaughter charges over the death of African-American George Floyd. It's a swift action toward police reform following a swift verdict in the trial. As CGTN's Jim Spellman reports.
Derek Chauvin walked out of this courthouse in handcuffs yesterday. Spent his first night in state prison, isolated from other prisoners for his own protection. Meantime, in Washington, D.C., the Department of Justice announced an investigation into the Minneapolis police. It's possible they could even take over managing the police department as they do this invasive examination looking for any evidence of systemic racism. Listen.
Building trust between community and law enforcement will take time and effort by all of us. But we undertake this task with determination and urgency, knowing that change cannot wait.
These types of Justice Department investigations happened under the George W. Bush administration and under the Barack Obama administration, but Donald Trump stopped them, saying they were bad for police morale. The goal here is systemic change. That's what we've heard from many of the protesters out on the streets, and that's what we've heard from the family of George Floyd. They want his legacy to be changes in American policing.
We're all fighting for one reason, and it's justice for all. And I think today has been an occasion where people can celebrate, but tomorrow it's back to business because we have to stay steps ahead of everything, and we'll keep pushing, and we'll keep pushing.
Criminal justice reform advocates and the family of George Floyd say the first step is accountability, and at least in the killing of George Floyd, they got that with these 3 guilty verdicts against Derek Chauvin. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Minneapolis, Minnesota.